In this demo, we will walk you through the attendance management, which helps you perform 8 key actions: configure attendance setup, train face recognition, manage daily attendance, view employee attendance, track live locations, manage shift rosters, handle time exceptions, and use the visit planner. Now let's see how to configure the attendance setup. Under this section, you can manage all key configurations including shift roster, shift pattern, geofence location, employee attendance grouping, public holidays, and leave configuration. Within the Attendance Settings tab, you can enable phase attendance, assign a fixed device, and activate the Auto Track Until Shift End feature. When enabled, the system will track attendance automatically throughout the shift. For geofence locations, you can enter latitude, longitude, and radius to enable GPS-based tracking. If you prefer IP-based tracking, you can provide a static IP or MAC ID for VFE-based attendance. If you enable fixed devices, you can set up phase or punch attendance or both. Device details like ID and password must be entered. Devices can be enabled, disabled, or deleted. You can also use the HR Blue Sky app itself as a phase attendance device or integrate ZKT biometric devices seamlessly without third-party apps. Now let's see how to manage roster shifts. There will be a default shift available, and here you can create a number of shifts as per your requirement. You can assign shift names and codes, such as day, night, or any custom label. You also have the option to define shift start and end times, late in and early out time differences, and configure overtime in minutes. Additionally, you can set shift margins and enable push notifications to remind employees about shift start and end times, helping approvers monitor attendance more efficiently. Next, let's see how employee attendance grouping works. This tab lets you assign specific attendance modes to employees. You can enable or disable geofence tracking and configure GPS-based attendance, which includes an automatic visit planning option for field staff. HR Blue Sky supports both phase and biometric attendance method. Now let's look at the public holiday calendar. Here, you can add holidays with names and dates. You can allow employees to mark attendance or apply for leave on holidays. These entries can be edited or deleted at any time. Let's move on to the Leave Configuration tab. In this section, you can enable compensatory leave and define its validity. You can also configure the leave cycle by selecting the year's start and end months. Now let's see Daily Attendance Management. This section helps you track employee attendance on a day-to-day basis, including punch-in out times, late early marks, client visit distances, and more. If attendance isn't marked, you can manually update the employee's status. You can also export attendance data when needed. Next, let's explore the Face Training tab. You can train or retrain employee facial data using a mobile device. This helps employees mark attendance through facial recognition smoothly. Now let's view the Employee Attendance tab. This section shows the complete attendance history for each employee, including punches, absences, and leave data. Employees can also check their records through the self-service portal. Reports can be exported easily. Let's now explore the Employee Live Location tab. This feature lets you track field staff in real time. The grid view displays punch-in out times and distance traveled, while the map view shows their live location during visits. Now let's look at the Shift Roster Management tab. You can assign daily or weekly shifts to employees and view the entire roster in one place. This data can be exported to help with planning and shift rotation. Let's move to the Time Exception Request tab. Employees can raise regularization requests for missed punches, late arrival, early leaving, undertime, or overtime. This helps ensure attendance records are accurate and up to date. Finally, let's see the Visit Planner tab. Managers can assign client meetings to employees. After the meeting, a green mark shows successful completion. A late arrival results in a wrong mark, and no mark is shown if the meeting is missed. You can compare scheduled visits with actual performance to maintain transparency.